Today we're going to see if that junkyard part works. And I should probably clean the interior on this thing because it's getting kind of dusty. Look at all that. Leaves and crust and yucky stuff. A lot of dust. Gonna have to go ahead and see if we can't fix this blend door bongo thing. As cute as it is and as fun as it is to make fun of it, it gets kind of annoying after a while. So let's get to it. So first things first, got to take all the crap out of my glove box. And hey, on the bonus side of that, I actually found an air freshener in there that I forgot I had. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I do with air fresheners. I hang them off the rear passenger. Some people call that the oh crap handle, but yeah, it's the handle that you can use to hang on. You're getting in and out of the car if you're getting scared, whatever. But I hang them back there because you can't see them. And you don't notice them when you're driving because it's like in that perfect blind spot where you don't see them anymore. Rather than hanging it off the rear view mirror, which in many places is actually illegal because it's technically obstructing your view. Odd. But yeah, bonus find. Can't complain. Alright, so back here I can actually feel it click, 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 clicking away. Click, 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 click. So it's actually back here, hiding behind the glove box. Basically, you press down on the back of the glove box and these clips will push down a little bit. You can drop it down. So, yeah. Basically, just got to get back in here. There's a screw. It's really hard to see, but there's a screw back here. And then one way back that you got to get to. The easiest way to get to this is actually take the hinges off. So, let me push this thing back up. Finally, it stopped popping. But yeah, push this thing back up. And then there's hinges right here. I guess you got to push in here and pull out right here. And I don't know if there's one in the middle. Maybe there was, not anymore. And then, should be one over here too, yep. So, basically you pop that, and then drop the glove box completely out. Hey! A not survivor. That's the reason why I gotta clean this car out. Get all this nasty out of here. But yeah, let's go ahead and drop the glove box. So I took a pair of needle nose. As you can see on the end of the pin there, it's like a grippy part right there. And basically you can take the needle nose and grab the little grippy part and pull it sideways. And then they pop out of the little hinge. So this car has 2, 1, 2, and it doesn't look like the middle one has anything in it. So we can drop the glove box. Bang. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out of here. If you can even see that. But there we go. Now we can actually get to this thing. Another fun thing that I noticed with the blend door bongos is they kind of randomly activate, which is very, very, very annoying. So, you don't know if you can even see in here, but it is back in here. You can kind of see the blue thing. That's what it's, the blue clip is actually attached to it. And then you can actually see this piece of plastic right here. And that's one of your bolts that holds it in. But yeah, it randomly activates, so it'll be steady popping away like you know, crazy. What I should probably do is get this off and, you know, see if I can't get the other one kind of test fitted and see if it even works. 'Cause it sure would suck if I got that thing off and then couldn't get the new one to work. But that would be life. That's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you get bum parts. We will see. Came off a junk car, so time will tell. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. She moves without popping. So after pushing and clawing and fighting, what I did do is get the other one off, and you can see the blend door's up now, so now it can actually slide on without me breaking anything or going full Florida man. So now I can actually bolt this thing in and see if it works. One thing that makes blend door bongos a lot more fun is when you drop the screw and it falls down underneath the carpet. You have to take the trim panel off, peel your carpet or rubber floor back, and then find the screw. Yeah, added some extra work there, but still, I don't see how this is worth $600 worth of money. I think it was like high 400s and 80 something dollars for the part. So it was like 600 bucks to do this from the dealer. Crazy, absolutely crazy. All right, moment of truth. Let's fire this bad boy up and see if it blows up. Turn on some air. I got some airflow. Alright, I don't hear more blend door bongos. Hey, and I only managed to Florida man a little bit on this one. And the other really big added bonus, nothing's on fire yet. So, must have did something right. Alright, so because curiosity, we're going to go ahead and take apart my blend door bongo player and see what exactly failed inside of this thing. Just for fun. Because why not? I can't use it anyway, so let's see. Let's see if I can get this bad boy apart. Alright, let's see what broke. Alright, so when I take this bad boy apart, you can see right there I got a tooth that fell out. Right there. I don't know if you can see real well, but basically one of these teeth snapped off. So right there. That one little piece of crap right there is what kind of made this thing give up. I'm just trying to see where the tooth was, where it broke. Yeah, there you go. So somewhere in this madness, there's a chipped tooth. Let me see if I can find it. Or it just might have had that piece of junk in there. I don't know. Might still be good. Unless there's a tooth on this thing that gave up. Let me see. Yeah, actually you can kind of see these teeth look a little warped. Guess the camera's not super focused on it, but they look like they're a little twisted. Might still work actually. But, well, unless there's something on this one that's broke. There's something broken somewhere on this, but or maybe that piece of plastic just happened to wedge itself in there. Looks like it shaved off of a tooth somewhere. I just can't figure out which tooth it shaved off of. But either way, the teeth are kind of worn, so. There you go. Looks like there's a piece of plastic shaving jamming the gears, which is probably a piece of one of the teeth and one of the gears that gave up. So, yeah, theoretically I could probably put this thing back together, jam it back in the car, and make it work some more, but eventually more teeth will break, and then stuff like that will be in there jamming up the gears. Oh well, there you go. That's how it goes sometimes. But no more blend door bongos. Alright guys, so figure I will give you guys a quick rundown of what we did today. As you saw earlier, we went ahead and canceled the blend door bongo concert. It's no longer thumping away. And then after that, I didn't put it on camera, but I went through the inside of the car and actually cleaned it really, really well. So, I mean, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it too good, and you know what I mean, you'll be able to see, it's kind of bright. Well, let's see if I can go down here. Like you can see down there, the floor is looking a lot cleaner. I don't have a bunch of crust everywhere. I mean, there's some stuff that's kind of tucked in these little grates. It's really hard to get the stuff out of there, but overall, it's a lot cleaner. And then in the back, nice and clean back here. I'm trying to contort myself. I'm not a contortionist, but much, much cleaner. Got all the dirt and grime and leaves and stuff out. And then on top of that, I went through and cleaned the door jambs. So they're much, much cleaner than they were. Not perfect, but cleaner. So there you go. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Loved each and every one of you. And I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I actually do drive this car occasionally, from time to time. So the mileage is actually increasing on this one. Unlike the Crown Vic, where, you know, you might see it change by like a mile.